Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off auto update app on Google Play Store. Okay, first of all, let's just open up our Google Play Store application on our Android phone. And after we have our Google Play Store application opened, we can go to our profile by clicking on the profile button. And here we can click on the settings option because we want to go to the settings and select network preferences. And here we can turn off auto update application on our Google Play Store. We can click on auto update apps right here. And if we want to turn off the auto update, we can select don't auto update apps. And after that, our application won't be automatically updated by the Google Play Store. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off auto update apps on Google Play Store. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.